It's August 2023. We made a upgrade in the chainsaw department this morning. It's a Stihl MS 291 20-inch. Got it at Blaine's Farm and Fleet. Used our Blaine's Farm and Fleet credit card. Got some points. And also they're having a bonus of $10 for every $100, I think. It's 5 or 10 for every $100 spent in the store, so we get those in Blaine's cash immediately, which is nice. We're going to spin over here to our right, and we've got a big tree trunk that's laying down here. It was too big for our 14-inch arborist, old 192 arborist saw. They're on 194s now. It's a little too big for that saw, and we're going to put our gloves on here, get it started up, and we're going to make a couple cuts. See you in a sec. Not bad. Catch y'all later.